Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Abid Zadris bin Muhammad Zaki, and I'm from DB5B. So, I'm gonna present about Toyota production strategies. As we know, Toyota have a lot of strategies in their productions. The production method used by Toyota Motor Corporation, often known as a just-in-time system or lean manufacturing system, has become well known and extensively researched. Just-in-time production techniques are probably something you have heard of if you have ever studied manufacturing. Toyota invented the method of scheduling routine, small deliveries of just the right amount needed. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Abid Zadris bin Muhammad Zaki, and the Toyota production system is well known for its ability to cut out waste and maximize efficiency. Yet, its fundamental goal is to ease workers' workloads and reduce their obligation with an emphasis on doing meaningful work. Jidoka and just-in-time are the fundamental ideas of TPS. We are able to efficiently create our items at the rate of consumer demand by putting these ideas into practice. It indicates that each car satisfies both our high standard for quality and the specific needs of each customer. Toyota use Jidoka system. Jidoka is automation, which is the idea that once a problem arises, equipment should be designed to help automatically detect it and bring attention it right away. Operations are given the tools necessary to help production flow anytime they notice something suspect in the Toyota production system, preventing the waste that would occur from producing a number of defective items. Then, Toyota also use Kaizen production system. Kaizen is the one of the core principles in Toyota production system. Continuous progress is roughly the English translation. Kai denotes change and Zen denotes improvement. It is a mindset that contributes to optimum quality, waste reduction, and efficiency gains in both work process and equipment. Every job site benefits from Kaizen improvement in standardized work that increase productivity. When processes are constantly followed in standard work, personnel can see issues early on. Not just that, Toyota use Genchi Genbutsu in their production system. The best way to make sure a production line is working at maximum efficiency is to go and see it for yourself. This is the idea behind Genchi Genbutsu, part of the Toyota production system. Go and see for yourself, to quote Genchi Genbutsu. In order to handle a problem more quickly and effectively, it is best to visit the place or procedure where it is occurring, verify the details, and examine the reason of the issues to understand them. First, high cost of training. A tried and true management philosophy and methodology is TPS and lean manufacturing. All stakeholders in an organization must have at least basic training in TPS and lean manufacturing tools and procedures in order to execute the management philosophy. Thus, TPS and lean manufacturing training programs are implemented by organizational leaders across all departments. So, an organization must spend more on stakeholder training and certification. But in terms of the return of investment for training expenses, it is undeniable that this is investment not only pays for itself over time but also produces better financial outcomes. Then, high cost of implementation. We may need to set up new infrastructure or change existing infrastructure in order to adopt TPS and lean manufacturing technologies with organization of industrial workplaces. So we must cover the expense of implementation in an organization. Yet, if we included TPS and lean manufacturing deployment from the planning stage, we wouldn't need to pay as much attention to raising expenses. Then, it is time consuming. The implementation of TPS can be a time-consuming process, and it may take years to fully implement the system and see the benefits. Companies must be committed to the long-term process of TPS implementation. So I'm gonna explain about the production metrics in Toyota production system. So first is the total cost. TPS seeks to lower total cost by reducing waste and improving production efficiency. This entails lowering inventory levels, enhancing manufacturing efficiency, and decreasing downtime. Toyota can offer more affordable prices while still remaining profitable by lowering cost. Next is total quality time. TQT is the time it takes from beginning to end to generate a high quality product. This includes the time needed to find and fix production process flaws, with the identification and elimination of the fault's underlying causes, the reduction of production process variability, and enhanced teamwork and communication. TPS aims to increase TQT. And then the last one, quality. Toyota strives to deliver products that meet or exceed customer expectations, making quality a major TPS metric. To ensure quality, TPS employs a number of strategies, including as error proofing, Pokayoki, standardized work, and continuous improvement. Toyota can establish a solid reputation for dependability and customer pleasure by raising the quality of its product. And then I'm gonna explain about the outsourcing in logistics for Toyota. First is transportation. Outsourcing the transportation to a logistics service provider can be advantageous for business as it allows them to focus on their core competencies rather than worrying about the logistics of shipping their products. And then warehousing and distribution. Outsourcing warehousing and distribution to a logistics service provider can help businesses streamline their supply chain operations, reduce inventory carrying costs, and improve order fulfillment efficiency. Logistics service providers can offer a range of warehousing and distribution services, such as inventory management, order processing, and packaging, ensuring that products are delivered to customers in a timely and cost-effective manner. And the third is inventory management. Outsourcing inventory management to a logistics service provider can help businesses improve their supply chain efficiency by ensuring that they have the right amount of inventory on hand to meet customer demand. Logistics service providers have expertise and technology to monitor inventory levels, track product movements, and manage replenishment, enabling businesses to minimize inventory holding costs and optimize their cash flow. And last, I'm gonna explain about the supply chain strategy. The first one is relationship-based strategy. The company's relationship-based strategy is best exemplified by the relationship between Toyota and its suppliers. Toyota's two main suppliers are the Nippon Denso Corporation and the Aisin Seiki Company. The new company will perform extensive research on the fundamental design and production methodology of semiconductors in the future. And then, asset productivity strategy. The Toyota company places a strong focus on just-in-time. This is also related to the concept of Kaizen. To create cars in response to a dealer orders, Toyota used JIT, which is just-in-time, to ensure that just the parts required to construct vehicles arrive on time during this production process. The corporation used its supply chain. As a result, the parts are produced concurrently with delivery. Last one is time-based strategies. Focus on executing the logistic jobs with more speed and accuracy. Cycle time, which is the length of time it takes from receiving a client's order and preparing it to sending it out to the customer, is one of the important areas of emphasis in time-based tactics. By using a quicker and more efficient order-to-transmission method, such as EDI, which is electronic data interchange, or internet to process customer orders, the goal is to reduce cycle time. Additional time-saving logistic innovation include product tracking, barcoding, pull approach production is done more quickly only after an order has been received, and just-in-time activities. A good time-based strategy benefits the organization by raising funds. And that's all from me. Thank you.